Hello, and welcome to the ARM School program's Introduction to Project-Based Learning. The first course in this free-to-access program covers the foundational elements of project-based learning, physical computing, as well as the supporting pedagogy and practical elements that make up project-based learning. So, what will you gain from completing this course? You will be introduced to popular hardware elements used in physical computing and some common peripherals. We also explore the big picture of physical computing and how it touches almost every element of modern life. The course dives into how learners learn, looking at the theoretical principles and orthodoxies that underpin project-based learning and physical computing. It also explores the learning landscape, which maps the interconnections between practice, theory, frameworks, approaches and strategies of project-based learning. We unpack the ARM School program's approach to project-based learning and look at how the schema is used to create engaging PBL projects. Within the course, you'll be taken on a deep dive into the learning theories to see how the theories expressed through practice and pedagogy to make a PBL lesson work. Another key element you will learn are the key cornerstones of computational thinking, explaining how PBL makes learning about these concepts more accessible and more engaging. Finally, we wrap things up by looking at how to conduct robust classroom investigations, looking at what needs to be considered when evaluating the impact of interventions. This also covers the accepted ways of working when conducting academic research and how to formally present your findings. If you haven't already done so, then enroll for free on edX today.